TradingView AI Chart Copilot is an AI assistant built to sit alongside a TradingView chart and help make the analysis process more structured. At the time of recording, it is available in beta as a browser extension for Chrome and other Chromium-based browsers. Once it is open beside a chart, the Copilot works through a conversation panel. Instead of moving between the chart, indicators, alerts, news, and screeners separately, you can use the panel to ask questions about the market you are viewing and receive a more organized summary of the available information. For example, with a chart open, you could ask for a technical overview of the current market. The Copilot can review common areas such as moving averages, RSI, MACD, support and resistance, and the broader technical rating. This can be useful when you want a quick starting point before doing a more detailed review yourself. That distinction is important. The Copilot should not be treated as a trading signal or a replacement for your own process. It can summarize chart information quickly, but the output still needs to be checked against the time frame, market structure, recent price action, and your own risk rules. A useful way to think about it is as a research assistant, not as a decision maker. The Copilot can also add context when a market has moved sharply. Rather than only looking at the candle on the chart, you can ask what may be driving the move. It can bring in related news, earnings information, and fundamental data, giving you a broader view of whether the move appears technical, news-driven, or connected to a wider market theme. Another useful area is market scanning. You can ask the Copilot to look for stocks meeting certain conditions such as new highs, stronger volume, sector filters, or specific technical signals. From there, results can be opened directly on the chart, which makes the tool useful for research and idea generation. Because TradingView AI Chart Copilot is still in beta, it should be treated as an evolving feature. Its value is in helping organize information, reduce manual work, and speed up parts of the analysis process. The final judgment still sits with the trader, but the Copilot can help make the route to that judgment more efficient.